Hi everybody and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Now today I'm going to show you another tool from the Sandbox tools, and that's this one, Stamp. In the previous tutorial we did the contours from Contours tool, which was this one from Contours. Next one I'm going to show you is this one, Stamp, and that's if you want to take a shape and then stamp it into the existing topology. So what I mean is, if I draw a rectangle, this could be a plot of land that you want to start to build on the top of this topology. So I'm just going to make it so it's above the topology and then move it in. If you're unsure of where it is, because it can be deceiving if you're moving and it's not in the top view, change to the top view, take off the perspective, and now you see it's not in the middle. I can just move it across and over there. So now I got my shape. Now when we choose the stamp, I select the surface, then I get this red line around it, and that is an offset 1000 millimeters. So it's offset by 1 meter. If I look down to the left here, it says select the mesh to stamp into, or a new offset for the stamp. So you can make this 10 meter offset if you want it, the red line, but I'm going to keep it as 1 meter. So it wants you to select the mesh. Well, this is the mesh here. So I'm going to click on it, and there you go. And now I get this new icon. I can either bring it down or I can bring it up. So if I was to bring it down, I'll just show you the result. I guess a slight angle on the geometry here. Or if we go back and do it the other way, select the surface first, go to the stamp, make sure you do the offset, and then click on the existing mesh. And this time I can pull it up slightly, and there you go. So if this was going to be a house, for example, then I could just okay, I can move it. I have to move it down a little bit, but do a push-pull and take it down to the new shape. So there you go. That's how the stamp tool works in the Sandbox tools. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.